Overflow of data and media on mobile devices, hard drives, and cloud services? Digital chaos in your head? No worries. DriveSpan app resolves your problem. Just consolidate all your data from any source device to one target device of your choice. No duplicates, no efforts. Just enjoy more free space and less confusion. Want to create cool videos from video clips and photos quick and effortlessly? No problem with one-click video story and new Nero Live Themes Pro. Just drag your photos and videos into the drop zone. A professional movie theme is applied automatically. Ready to be shared with your loved ones. Where do I find which function? What's behind that feature? You want to improve, but you're tired of browsing through page-long documents. Simply use the case-sensitive Live Guide in Nero Know-How Plus. Photo, video, music, and data backups to my cloud service? Can I also restore via my cloud storage? Simply back up all your photos, videos, music, and data to your personal cloud service, and also restore from there with Nero Back It Up. And what else is new in Nero Platinum 2019? Let's see. Now, easily make your way through Nero Suite with brand new animated Nero Start. Also, find and clean similar images within HDR shots, series shots, image formats, places, and more. Now browse and access OneDrive files in Nero Media Home. And with Files on Demand, just download what you need locally. Hundreds of video clips in different formats? Just convert to video disc compatible formats and save a lot of time when burning to video disc. Also, make use of the great Nero mobile apps in combination with your Nero Suite. Just try it out with Nero Platinum 2019.